Hello, everyone. Today, I'll demonstrate what our mission statement generator template does. You can find it in the Flow library under the Mission Statement Generator option. This flow helps you generate a mission statement tailored to your business or organization based on the input you provide. Customize it by adjusting the tone, focus, or any specific elements you want to include. It's perfect for crafting a clear and impactful mission statement that reflects your values and goals. Whether you need something concise or more detailed, this tool saves time by delivering statements aligned with your vision. For a full tutorial on creating this flow, check the video linked in the description. Thanks for watching.